You understand English, but you don't speak it. Let's fix that right now.
Stop. Don't skip. If you understand English when you listen, but freeze when you need to speak, this lesson is for you.
Right now, imagine this. You're late. You're in a new city. Someone talks to you in English. And your brain goes completely blank.
Today, we won't just listen. You will repeat, pause, and speak. No pressure, no perfection.
This is Listen and Speak. Real life English. 1 full day. Taxi. Hotel. Food. Doctor. Daily life.
Listen carefully. Speak out loud. Let's start.
You're late. Every second matters. What do you say?
Listen first, then repeat. We're running late, Alex. Let's get a taxi.
Good idea. There's one right there.
Wave it down.
Taxi! Taxi!
Hi, where to?
City Centre Hotel. Please.
Get in.
Thanks.
How far is it?
About 15 minutes.
Traffic bad?
No, roads are clear today.
Please drive carefully.
No problem. You're safe.
Good. Now pause the video. Repeat the last 3 lines out loud.
You arrived. Now you need English. That sounds polite, not perfect. Do you take cards?
Yes, cards or cash.
Great. This city is huge.
Here we are. $18.
Here's 20. Keep the change.
Thank you. Enjoy your stay.
Welcome.
Hi. Reservation for Alex Turner.
3 nights. Room faces the park.
Nice. Here's my passport.
Check out at 11. Breakfast 7 to 10.
Wi-Fi password?
Hotel guest. Password. Welcome 2026.
Pause. Choose one sentence and say it again slowly.
Simple English is powerful English.
Good evening. Menu?
Thank you. Everything looks good.
I'm really hungry.
Ready to order.
Chicken salad, please.
Steak with fries. Medium.
Anything to drink?
Water, please.
Cola with ice and lemon.
Dessert later?
Maybe. Good job. Now, repeat only the food names out loud. Sometimes you need help and English. Excuse me, where is the city hospital?
10-minute walk. Straight ahead, left at the lights, past the park.
Thank you so much.
Hello? What's wrong?
I have a headache and sore throat.
Slight fever. Say ah. Flu. Rest 2 days. Drink water. Take these pills twice a day.
Pause. Say, I have, and describe your own symptom.
Now, the most important part. Listening is not enough.
Pause after each line. Repeat it. Then change one word. We're running late. Change it. Do you take cards? Change it. I have a headache. Change it. Thank you so much. Say it without reading.
Now, speak for 30 seconds. Describe your day. No stopping. No fixing.
This is how confidence is built. Not by waiting, by speaking.
Practice 5 minutes a day. You will feel the difference.
Thank you for learning with Listen and Speak. Keep listening. Keep speaking.